welcome back to my channel. And for today's video guys, I'm going to do my unboxing. Our Farberware coffee maker because we both love coffee. It's like our morning is not complete if we don't drink coffee. Okay, so let's do the unboxing now. Okay, this one is, honey, how do you call this one?
It's a dual brew. It's got a single cup, K-cup brewer on one side, and then it has a regular pot brewer on the other.
Honey, come closer. Let's look at this one. Let's open our coffee maker. I'm so excited also, guys, because we bought a K-pop coffee.
Oh yes, we did. We bought K-cup coffees. We have French vanilla, and we have a variety pack with Michigan cherry, caramel vanilla cream, and butterscotch toffee.
Okay, let's do the unboxing now. Honey.
Some Nespressos.
Here is the manual. Oh, it might get wet, so let's just leave it there. Let's do the unboxing. Oh, it's bigger. Let's see how it looks like. Honey, go over. Can you push the box? Pull the box down.
Okay.
Yes, guys.
Here we go.
It's now ready. You have to be very careful. Struggle is here. Oh! Yay! Oops!
You got it right side up?
Oh, wow! And it's pretty. Wow, this is so pretty. Wow! Honey, come closer. Look, guys. Look at that.
Now you can get rid of that old coffee pot.
Yeah. Here is our old ones.
Good riddance.
It's still working, but the thing is, you cannot set the alarm. No, not alarm. Set the time anymore. That's
or
why.
the alarm.
Yeah. And of course, we have to wash this first one before we use it. Nice one. Then we're gonna put this one. And then look inside. Oh, it's still tape. There's still tape on it. Oh.
Yep. That's where that goes.
Oh, very nice. Let's move around. Move around. Is it clear, honey, in the video?
Yep.
Move around.
Now get rid of that old one.
And here, what's this? Oh, this is the water. Maximum water. Is there maximum water also?
Yeah.
What's in here, honey? This one here.
That's where you put the water for the single cup.
Show them. Water for the single cup. Oh, wow. Open that one for the single. And this one
Is where you put your K-cup.
This is where you put the K-cup. Right here. Okay. And here is where you put the regular coffee. Oh, what? Oh, there's a what's this?
It looks like it's a coffee filter.
Or maybe it's here. It's right there. Oh, if you wanna make a coffee, at least one.
Oh, one with regular grains.
Yeah,
single
regular
cup.
grains. Yep. This one is for
Oh, okay. So you can do a single cup or a K-cup.
yeah, single cup of coffee. Wow, this is nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Okay, so let's start. Make the coffee.
Okay.
Turn it on. Plug it in. The red
It was shaking.
Okay, oh, it's already plugged in, so I'm gonna put water.
Yeah.
Oh, why did I? Okay, let's gonna pour this.
How many cups do you have there?
6.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a couple single serves.
That's 4 ounces. This one is gonna be right here. Alright. I think this is
3 flavors.
3 flavors. This Michigan, cherry, caramel, vanilla, and butterscotch.
We're gonna first try
The
butterscotch
cake.
toffee.
Which one? The
Butterscotch.
single one.
Yeah,
Okay, so I already put some water inside there. Okay, and then let's close this. Put that one.
You close the other one. And then
Okay, go ahead. Ice is finished na. So ilalagyan na natin yun. It should be round. A capsule. And let's see. Ayan guys, yung water, yung coffee lumalabas.
Butterscotch.
Guys, ito naman yung ano yung malaki. So, natin siya ng ganyan. And then, try natin ito salted caramel flavor para dito. Alright. Close. Let's start. Ayan guys. Brewing na guys. Tapos na siyang nag-brew. Ayan. Yay! Next is magpupo na tayo ng coffee. And I'm gonna make it creamer. Oh, here's my coffee, guys. Starts to enjoy my coffee. Sarap, di ba? Thank you so much guys for watching and hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aking coffee unboxing. See you again on my next vlog. Honey, bye! Honey, do you enjoy your coffee?
yeah, it's good. Thanks.